I can't believe we're closing out our second year with commercial baking and looking back on this year that encompassed so much. I really see how much like a family this team is. I don't know if it's because I had that time to reflect and I was thinking about how much like a family we are, or if it's that apparent on the pages, but I saw the theme of family throughout this entire issue, practically beginning to end, whether it was family-owned bakeries, family applied to bakery executives, or even in the last word. There's this theme of family. And when you think about the baking industry as a whole, we are very familial. There is this sort of unconditional support at times, and this need for listening and mutual respect that really shines through when times get tough. You can really see that in not only the features, but also in the Solution Showcase, which is sort of the crown jewel of the Innovations Annual. Bakers and suppliers, in the past 3 years, they've really learned how to come together and roll up their sleeves and do what needs to be done. And now we're in this time where disruption has been normalized, and suppliers are really tapping into how to come up with these solutions. And there are themes there in the Solution Showcase that have automation and add-on controls and touch screens and things to really either help with a lack of workforce or make life easier for the current workforce. And when that happens, it's also creating more opportunities for different types of people to do different types of jobs. And that's not only helping with DEI, but it's just also bringing new solutions to how to accommodate for this waning of staff inside the bakeries. Looking back on this year that we waited so long to have 12 consecutive months beginning to end, where we could come together and gather. It gives me such joy, and it gives me so much optimism for the future. We got to experience all of our in-person events, and next year we are hopefully going to be enjoying that same type of gathering overseas. And I'm looking forward to just keeping the momentum of this business of baking going and going strong.